Yeah, namaste children. A very good morning to all. I hope everyone is good. Yeah, children, we are doing Yoga Day celebrations in our school every year. And this year also we should do the celebrate in Yoga Day 21st onwards June tomorrow. Yeah, children, I am telling about yoga asanas. So children, the word yoga comes from the Sanskrit language, meaning union or measure. The goal of this discipline is to strike a balance between body, mind and breath, with the ultimate aim of attaining self-enlightenment. It has been estimated by some scholars that yoga is about 5,000 years old. Several scientists also claim that it is a highly developed and scientific discipline for healthy living that has been perfected through millennium. Yeah, children, if you are suffering from any kind of serious disasters or weakness in any part of the body, should not do the any yoga asanas. Children, it is better to wear clothing which will not restrict the body movement. It must be loose, light, and comfortable to wear. Yes, children, it is better to wear clothing which will not restrict the body movement. It must be loose, light. Children, please do the running back before doing exercise. You should hands up, put your hands back. Both the hands keep it back. Then stretch your legs free little bit. Yeah, head back and down. We should do 10 times, children. Then front and back. Then side, children. Touch your head to shoulder. Touch your head to shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. Then stretch your hands. Press your fingers, children. Press tightly, beta. Yeah, very good. Children, everyone. Yeah. Up your palm. Your press your fingers. 1 to 10 times. Yes. Then children, stretch your hands. This is wrist rotation. Rotate to right. Then children, opposite direction. Rotate to left, children. Opposite direction. Well, Nana. Yes, after the back, again put your hands back. Then ankle warm up, ankle exercise, ankle size. Yes. How do I do? Please follow these, children. Ankle rotate to right. Yes, very good. Rotate opposite direction, children. Very nice. Yeah, children. And close your legs. This. Yeah, stretch your right leg. And close. Both the legs stretch and close. Stretch and close. Stretch. Then close. Yes. Yeah, children. Trunk rotate. Trunk half rotate, children. Please bend your body. Trunk rotate. Yes. This is the trunk rotate, Nana. Rotate to right. Yes. Children, please follow this. Before children, please follow how I am doing. Legs should be keep it V shape. Yes. Your right hand stretch, raise. Then bend your head to left. Yes. This is the Ardha Chakrasana, children. This benefits of lateral thyroid muscle and stretches and blood supply to them increase. Then hand change. After this, children, yeah, turn to right, then both the hands, put to back of your hip, yeah, bend to back, little bit, children, as much as possible, you should do 30 to 45 seconds. Then, children, now it is Virabhadrasana. Forward your left leg and lift your right leg, balancing your body is useful to bad fat in your body removal. slowly. This is half sit up children. You know everyone this asana used to strengthen the thigh power and foot. Yeah, children, this asana name is Paripurna Navasana. This asanas removing your wastage fat as much as possible. You should do 30 seconds to 40 seconds. Then children relax. Again try to 30 seconds to 40 seconds as much as possible children. Very good. Yeah children. Yes. Sit straight. Take Namaskara Mudra position. Yes. Close your eyes children. 3 to 5 minutes. Then rub your hands children. Touch your eyes. Very good. Slowly open your eyes. Very good children.